we're going to write the organized data that I didn't at first. So we have 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3. This is the organized data, remember? As I explained previously in the beginning of this presentation, the mode is the number or the numbers that repeats more often. So we're going to see which number or numbers repeats more often. So let's begin by 0. How many times we repeat 0 here? 1, 0, another 0. So this is repeated 2. How many times is repeated 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is repeated by 4 times. Because 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times we repeat 2? So we repeat 2 times. Why? 1 and 2. So we have 2 repeated twice. Alright? And how many times is repeated 3? 1, 2. So it's also repeated by 2. So let's see which is the number that repeats more often. So let's see. This is repeated 2, 4, 2, and 2 times. So in that order ideas, we have to obviously choose 1. Because if you notice, 1 is repeated 4 times. Alright, so let's see. Mode, it's equals to 1. Why? Because 1, it repeats 4 times. And 4 times is the maximum number of times in this data, that a number repeats. Alright? So, because it cannot be 0, because 0 only repeats 2 times. It cannot be 2, because it only repeats twice. And 3 as well, they cannot be, because they repeat only 2 times. Alright? So, we just have to choose the one that repeats more often. So, this case is 1. Right? The mode is 1. Alright? So, let's find the median. Make sure to take notes, alright? To pause the video, stop the video, and take the notes, because I cannot wait to your copy or something like that. So let's find them. Alright. Alright. We're gonna find the median. Remember, I told you that when finding the median, there's going to be a particular case. Alright? So in this situation, we cannot find the middle number because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have 10 digits, right? So it's not possible to find the middle number. Besides, 10 is pair. It's a pair number, or in Spanish, it's un número par. So in that case, what we have to do is to find the 2 numbers in the middle. So let's see what numbers are in the middle. Let's see, could be this one perhaps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, to find numbers in the middle, it has to be the same amount of numbers in one side and the other. Alright, so here you notice we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So we're going to take 1 and 1. Alright? 1 and 1. The number in between 1 and 1, it can be just 1. Alright? Because they are actually the same number. So, as the way we're supposed to write this, is 1. You see? So the median is 1. Because there's no number between 1 and 1. Alright? But one thing I'm going to explain. If hypothetically I will have 2 here, like from 1 and 2, I have to find the number in between 1 and 2. So in that case will be 1, 2, it will be 1.5. Alright? That's like the particular case. Alright? But here only if this number will be 2. But since it's only 1, you don't have to worry about that, so forget about that. The answer is 1 because there is no number between 1 and 1. Right? Remember that 1 and 1 are the same number, so it's not possible to find a number in between those two. Alright? We only select the two numbers in the middle when the number of digits is paired, like in this case. Remember that in the last exercise, in the previous exercise, we have 5 digits, and 5 is non-paired. But in this case, we have 10 digits, which is paired. Alright? So be careful with that. So that's the reason I choose the two numbers in the middle, and that give me as a result 1. Alright? So hopefully you have understood everything regarding to median, mean, mode, and median. In the following video, I will explain line plots. Right? Line plots is a really important topic, but it's quite easy because all you have to do is to graph. Yes, it doesn't require a lot of exercises, and you don't have to deal with mean, which seems to deal with a lot of multiplication, addition, subtraction.